Are you looking for an estimate of the cost to install an electric vehicle EV charger in your Salt Lake City home? Installing an EV charger can be a great way to reduce your reliance on traditional fuel sources and save money on gasoline. In this video, we'll discuss the factors that will affect the cost of installing an EV charger in your Salt Lake City home, as well as what you can expect to pay for the installation. In Salt Lake City, home EV charger installation price estimates can range anywhere between $600 to $5,000, depending on the type of charger and the features included. Now, when it comes to the installation of an electric vehicle EV charger in Salt Lake City, it's important to ensure that the charger installation is compliant with local building codes and safety regulations. This is especially important in residential areas, as the installation of an EV charger typically requires the use of specialized wiring and electrical components. Additionally, the location where the charger is to be installed should be carefully considered to ensure that it is able to handle the electrical load placed upon it. The type of charger affects the overall price of Salt Lake City home EV charger installations. Different types of chargers have different installation costs. The two main types of chargers are Level 1 and Level 2 chargers. Level 1 chargers are the most basic type of charger and use 112-volt outlets, while Level 2 chargers are more powerful and use 240-volt outlets. Level 2 chargers are typically more expensive to install than Level 1 chargers due to the higher voltage and more involved installation process. The price of the charger itself can also vary depending on the type, manufacturer, and features. Generally, a Level 2 charger with a 240-volt outlet will cost between $500 and $2,000 for installation. This price includes the cost of the charger, any necessary electrical work, and the labor cost for the installation. In addition to the cost of the charger and installation, the customer may also need to pay for the necessary permits and inspections. The customer may also need to pay for additional services, such as wiring or circuit breakers. Researching the different types of home EV charger installations available in Salt Lake City is an important step in determining the price estimate for the installation. You should compare the different brands, models, and features available to find the best option for their needs. Additionally, research should be done on the local installers and their rates. This will help to ensure that the price quoted is competitive and that the installer has the experience and knowledge necessary to complete the installation safely and correctly. Ongoing maintenance is an important factor to consider when getting a Salt Lake City home EV charger installation price estimate also. Routine maintenance is essential for a home EV charger to ensure it is working properly and safely. This includes periodic inspections and troubleshooting to detect any potential problems. Additionally, regular cleaning and maintenance of the charging station and its components can help prolong its lifespan. For more information on installing and getting a quote and a price estimate for your installation of a home EV charger, please contact us with the details below.